Hello children, welcome back to the computer class. Children, in the previous class I have explained how to convert any decimal number to its equivalent binary number. Well, in today's class I am going to explain binary arithmetic. In binary arithmetic we will learn binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication and binary division. So the first operation that we are going to learn is binary addition. As you can see on the screen, there are two bits or two digits A and B, and these are certain rules that are written, like if the numbers are or binary numbers are 0 and 0, then the addition of 0 and 0 becomes 0, addition of 0 and 1 is 1, sum of 1 and 0 is 1, and sum of 1 and 1 is, it becomes 1 0. And one more thing I want to tell you, that if there are three digits like 1 1 and 1, if there are three ones to add, it is not written here actually in the table in your book, so I am telling you, if there are three ones consecutively and you want to add these three ones, then the result becomes 1 and 1. Got it? So these are the basic rules that you have to follow during binary addition. Now let us take an example. Suppose any number, just take a number, like suppose the number is 101 in binary and you want to add 10 in this. So just like we do the sum in decimal numbers, we will perform the same operation. 1 and 0 becomes 1, 0 plus 1 it becomes 1, and this one. So this is the answer, means whenever you are adding 101 binary number to 10, it becomes 111. Okay children, let us take one more example. Suppose the number that you want to add is 11111 and the second number 1011. 1011. These are two binary numbers, and if you want to add, again the same, 1 plus 1 becomes 0 and 1 is carry, that you will write here. Now these are 111, 1, 1 and 1. These three ones, the answer is 1, 1 is carry. Again 1 and 0. The sum of 1 and 1 is 10. So we will write here 0 and again 1 carry. Now 1, 1, 1. 3 ones, sum is 1 and 1. So 1 becomes carry, and 1 and 1, 10. Got it? So the answer will be 101010 in binary. Means the sum of these two binary numbers is equal to this. Children, one more example. Suppose the number is 1011 in binary and you want to add 111 in this. Okay. So after adding 1 plus 1, it becomes 0 and 1 carry. 111 becomes 1, 1 carry. 101, it becomes 0, 1 carry. 1 and 1, 0, 1, and this will be written here. So the answer will be 10010. These two numbers 1011 and 111, the addition of these two numbers becomes 10010. So that's all for the binary addition. Now we will learn binary subtraction. In binary subtraction, there are certain rules, like let us take two numbers or two digits A and B. 0 and 0, when 0 is subtracted from 0, it becomes 0. 1 minus 0 becomes 1. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. And 0 minus 1 becomes 1. In this case, we have to take a borrow. In the last one, 0 minus 1, in this case, since 0 is less than 1, so we have to take 1 borrow from the left hand side. So the answer will be 1. So in the note itself it is written the number is borrowed when 1 is subtracted from 0, and that is 1 0 minus 1 equal to 1. So now let us take one example of this. Suppose the number is 1 1 1. This is one binary number and you want to subtract 1 0 from this number. So 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and this is 1. So the binary number 111, and whenever we are subtracting 1 0 from 111, the answer becomes 101. Let us take one more example. Suppose the number is 100 and we want to subtract 1 0 from this number. Okay, so 0 minus 0 is, it becomes 0, and now this 0 minus 1, it becomes, as I told you in this, since 0, the first 0 is smaller than 1, we have to borrow from the left hand side digit. So it becomes 1 0, 1 0 minus 1 becomes 1, and here it becomes 0. So the answer is 1 0. Let us see the examples given in your book. In example 1, as you can see, we have to subtract 1 0 1 0 from the number 1 1 1 1. So it's simple. 1 minus 0 becomes 1, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, 1 minus 0 becomes 1, and 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So the answer is 1 0 1. In second example, example 2, you can see the first number is 1 1 0 0, and the second number is that is to be subtracted is 0 0 1 1. So in the unit digit it is 0 minus 1, it becomes 1, and for this you have to borrow from the left hand side, and since in the left hand side it is 0, again you have to go to left hand digit, and here we can borrow 0. We can borrow 1 from the left hand digit. So now 0 minus 1 becomes 1, and since here is after minus 1 it becomes 1, so 1 minus 1 becomes 0, again here 0 minus 0 becomes 0, and 1 minus 0 becomes 1. So the answer is 1001. So I hope the subtraction is clear to all of you now. Now we will see the multiplication. In multiplication we have to follow the same rule as we do in the decimal numbers, like 0 into 0 becomes 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, and 1 into 1 becomes 1. Now let us take one example. Suppose you want to multiply two numbers like 1 0 1 and multiply it by 1 0. So first we have to multiply from 0 to 101. It becomes 0 into 1 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. Now just add these two numbers, 0 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, and 1. So 1 0 1 0 in binary is the result of these two numbers. Means whenever you multiply 101 by 10, it becomes 1010. Okay children, now let us take the example. The second example that is given in your book is you have to multiply 101 by 11. So there are two numbers 101 and it is to be multiplied by 11. Simply just multiply 1 by these three digits, it becomes 101. Again the same number 101 is multiplied by 1, it becomes 101. Now add these two numbers, one is 101, the second is 101 in this way. So 1 is 1, 1 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1. So the answer is 1 1 1 1, 4 times 1. Now the last one is binary division. Let us see how to divide any binary number by the second binary number. Let us take two numbers. Suppose one number is 1 1 1 1 and we want to divide this number by 1 1. So as we do in decimal numbers, just 1 1 will take one time and it will be 1 1. 1 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 1, and subtract these two numbers, it will become 0 0, because 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we have to write it 1 here. So you can see 1 is smaller than the 1 1. So what you have to do, you have to take the second one at this place, but to do this you have to place 1 0 here. So now 1 1 1 and it becomes, so this is the required answer. That is, whenever you will divide 1 1 1 1 by 1 1, it becomes 1 0 1. Children, take one more example. Suppose the number you want to divide is 1 1 0 and the divisor is 1 0. So 1 0 1 ja 1 0, simple. Just subtract it. 1 minus 0 is, it is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Just take out this 0 at this place. Again 1 0 1 ja 1 0. In the same way as we do in decimal numbers, we are doing in binary also. So the answer becomes 1 1. That is quotient. Quotient is 1 1. So children, it's all about your chapter 2, that is number system. I have explained each and everything that is in the chapter. And now it's time to do the exercises. Children, I am giving you assignment to do this. These are the exercises that are given at the end of this chapter. The first one is fill in the blanks. The second is state true and false. The third is, you need not do these application based questions. You can do multiple choice questions and then try to find answers that of these questions. That is, answer the following: explain number system and its commonly used types. What are the rules to convert a decimal number into binary numbers? Write the rules to multiply two binary numbers. Briefly explain the octal number system, and what do you understand by hexadecimal number system. So hope you will find all the answers correctly, as I have already explained each and everything of the this chapter. Children, in next lesson I will explain all the answers of these exercises. Till then, take your time and do all the exercises, and take care. Bye bye.